Hi everyone, let's see in this video very quickly and easily how you can add the save for later feature in your forms. So here I have a test form that I created in my org, and what I need to do is to be able to add the save for later feature. I just need to go to the button that I have in this form. So it's the submit button. If I click on this, on the right side, you will see that action properties will open up. So I can change some things here, or already in another video, I talk about this, how you can customize your action, basically your button on your forms. But here I just want to show you actually how you can enable save for later feature. It's so easy, so quick. You just need to go to action properties, and then when you click on enable save for later, what's happening right now, let's see that maybe first. If I go to the form itself here, as you see, it's a one-page form and I have the submit button. But imagine this is a very long form, multiple pages, and you want to give your users the option to be able to save it for later and then come back and continue working on their forms, right? If you want to do that, here again, as you see, I only have the submit button. But if I enable save for later under the action properties and I save this form, you don't need to publish anything. Everything is happening natively in your org. You don't need to do any field mappings. I just enabled the save for later and saved it. If I go to my form, what's going to happen is it'll add a save button. So if I start working on this, for example, selected a couple of things and I said, oh, I need some more time. I need to do some other things. And you can just save this. It'll say, yep, no worries. You have saved your progress. You can continue later on this device. So if I just say, okay, for example, let me just copy this URL and imagine I closed this page and I came back next day, just refresh this, and all the information I entered is going to be there saved for me, so I don't need to do it again. Again, imagine if this is a very long form, it's going to be really useful for your users. So this is how you can easily and quickly enable the save for later feature on your forms and surveys. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.